How to see your Instagram password. So first of all, launch settings on your mobile devices. Now, if you are using an Android device, go ahead and tap on Security and Privacy. From here, scroll down below. Tap on More Security Settings. From here, scroll down below and tap on Passwords, Passkeys and Autofill. Again, scroll down below and tap on Samsung Pass. Now enter in your PIN if you are using Samsung device. Now, from here, scroll down below and tap on Apps/Websites. From here, you will be able to find various passwords you have saved on your mobile device. You'll also be able to find Instagram password if you have saved. Another step you could do in order to find your Instagram password is that launch any Google services on your phone. I'm going to launch Google. Now, once you come here, make sure that you are logged on to your Google account. After that, go ahead and tap on the profile picture icon at the top right. Now, from here, go ahead and tap on Manage your Google account. From here, go ahead and tap on Security and Sign In. Now, scroll down below. Go ahead and tap on Password Manager. Now, in case if you have saved your Instagram password on your Google account, you will be able to find it over here. Or else you can simply tap on Add Password option and then you can select Site or App, enter in your username of your Instagram account and enter the password. Then you can tap on Save at the top right corner. So the next time if you have forgotten your Instagram's password, you can easily find it over here. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.